Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Gardening on a Budget series. Today we're going to be discussing episode 7, How I Built a Balcony Garden for Under 1,000 Rupees. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. When I first looked at my empty balcony, I dreamed of turning it into a green haven without breaking the bank. I started by cleaning the space and measuring the sunlight throughout the day. With just 1,000 rupees in hand, I had to be creative and careful with every rupee I spent. I began with upcycled containers. Old paint buckets, plastic bottles, and even broken mugs became charming planters. I painted them with leftover wall paint to add color and life. For soil, I mixed garden soil with homemade compost from kitchen waste, which cost me nothing at all. Next, I visited a local nursery and picked out low-cost plants like tulsi, mint, money plant and marigold, each under 30 rupees. Instead of expensive fertilizers, I used diluted curd water and rice water weekly to nourish the plants. It worked wonders for growth. Finally, I arranged the planters creatively, using bricks and crates to create levels. I even added a small wind chime for charm. In the end, my balcony was transformed into a green, peaceful space, all for under 1,000 rupees. Gardening doesn't need a big budget, just a little love and a lot of creativity. Don't forget to like, share and comment.